If you want to go ahead and utilize AI to create your presentation, then Prezi has you covered as well. So over here in Prezi, all you need to do to create a presentation with AI is click on New Presentation right here. And here you can see that Create with AI is an option. Let me just go ahead and click right here. And then what you have is you got Prezi right here, which is loading up its AI interface right here. So you need to wait for a while. And then after that, it asks what presentation you want to create. So I'm just going to go around and say benefits of online education using TutorTube YouTube channel right here. So let's just go around and then say this and click on continue. So over here, you can upload a relevant file over here, or you can go ahead and type this. Let's say, for example, create 10 slide presentation on benefits of online learning using TutorTube YouTube channel, where you can learn general computing and multimedia related contents right here, just like this. You can be very detailed. You can see that there is a character limit way beyond what I'm typing right here, but I'm just going to go around and then add this in and click on generate. So once you do that, what happens is that it generates out the slide, and then over here on the right hand side, you can see that this is what you have. So it is recreating the presentation. So it says putting together ideas for the presentation, unlocking the future. It says introduction to online education, overview of TutorTube YouTube channel, and then flexibility in learning. And then you can see that there's conclusion and future of online education as well. So you simply need to go ahead and wait, and you can see that it is fine tuning and doing some last checks right here until the slide is generated. And the slide is generated just like this, as you can see right here. So it utilized graphics as well and so forth. If you want to utilize other templates, if you want, then you can actually go ahead and use this as well. Let's say, for example, I want to use this template, then simply click right here, and then it'll recreate out your presentation in another template. And here you can see the color palette as well. So right now, dark color palette is used, but I can go around for a brighter color palette as well. So now this is what you have. So if I were to go to the first frame, then this is transforming learning through online education. Online education is there. So you can see that there's pictures as well, and you got your presentation ready. Says overview of TutorTube YouTube channel right here, just like this. So there's a wide range of tutorials from computing skills, software uses, and multimedia creation techniques. And you can see that that is what you have. Catering to all skill levels is there, and structured learning approach is there, up-to-date content. And you can see that it created all of these presentation with a single prompt right here, just like this. You got your slides ready for you to present. So you can see that this is what you have. So now you can go ahead, and if you like it, you can go to the editor, or if you don't like it, you can recreate your presentation as well. But let me just go around onto the editor, and over here now all you need to do is go ahead onto the specific slide and make changes according to how you want. And that is how you can go ahead and use Prezi's AI tool to generate an entire presentation slide for you. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe